In this video, I want to show you how to load paper in your Epson ET-2980 EcoTank printer. So let's get started. We'll need to go on the back of the printer. This is where the paper input is located. You can see that there is a tray right over here that if you stick your finger and you pull up, it will come out and it will rest on its side. You can also open this small cover this way. And you're going to notice there's two paper guides over here, one blue, one black. If you want to input a letter size paper or A4, you simply need to drag both of these to the extremity. Once you push one, the other one will go as well on the other extremity. Take your stack of paper, make sure it's aligned, and you simply have to glide it in between those two guides. Just like that, and let it rest on the small plastic piece over here. If in the future you're going to print on smaller paper like 4x6 or even letters, envelopes, you can simply bring these two guides closer together and slide your paper in between them. Then you can close the small flap over there. If you check your screen after loading the paper, you're going to notice it will ask you to confirm that it is the same type of paper as the one that was there previously, or you can change it. If you don't remember which type you had inserted, you can see over here, letter size, plain paper. Most people will simply leave it like this for a long time. But if you want, click change, press OK, and you'll be able to select another type of paper from this list. In my case, it's letter size, plain paper. Okay. This is how you load your paper in your Epson EcoTank printer. I'll put links towards plain paper, glossy paper that I recommend. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.